Hi guys, this is a couple of hours later. We've just been doing the live training session and some of the members had caught this and were wondering what to do. And all of these trades are now well in profit. This is the CAD yen. It is now 54 in profit. Pound CAD is 100 pips in profit. And the euro yen has surged this morning and that is 100 pips in profit. So 250 pips profit in the summer, in the middle of August, from pre-planned trades is quite an amazing result. And I'm kind of thinking now, it's Tuesday morning, there's Jackson Hole Thursday and Friday. I'm going to call it a day, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close most of these out and I'm just going to leave a little bit to run to see if we can grab a few more pips out of this. But I say, these were pre-planned. I shared these with members on Sunday morning. This one last week didn't go anywhere all week and it's shot off this morning. So what I'm going to do with this one, it's now one of the reasons why I'm thinking is the average range on this pair in the last 30 days, including July when we had a bit more movement, is only 58 pips. Well, it's already done 61 today. So it's quite probable that this is now going to run out of steam. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close 3/4 of this and I am going to bank the profit and then I'm going to leave the balance to run. So this one is the CAD yen. It is in at a lot at the moment. I want to close the order. Make sure you don't have one click on if you ever want to scale out, because if you do, it'll just close the whole thing. I want to take out 0.75 out of this one. And therefore it's going to leave me with 0.25. And I'm also going to move the stop on this one. So I'm going to move this a bit closer. To do that, I'm going to go to the 4 hour. And I'm going to go just below the 4 hour there at 80.30. So there we go. So I've locked in some more profit and I've banked 75% of it. So that's one of them. Pound CAD. Don't have too much in this in terms of lot size because they only cost half of the trade. I might decide to leave that one. Again, things here, it's done 100 pips today, which is the average. The average in the previous 5 days is 150 and the average in the previous month is 130. So probability says this probably could go another 30 pips. So what I'm going to do, whilst I've got this on in the background, I'm going to just keep my eye on this one, but then I will look to either take some of it or just close it out. And then the euro yen, nice surge on the euro yen. It, as I said, is up 113 pips. It has done 120 pips today of a 90 pip average. So it's already 30% more than is the norm, and therefore I am going to take 30 out of this one and I'll just leave the balance then to run to see if it can go to target. So this is the euro yen. Right click, close the order, take off 0.3, leave the balance to run, and again I have a feeling with this one there may be a pivot in here. Let's go here just below that 55 EMA. So we go here, 125.25, risk free, job done, Tuesday morning, planned on Sunday. I think I might go to the beach now. Catch you all later.